It's Sunday and we have another weekly review with all the important news of this hobby that you love so much. And I started reminding you about an amazing interview I did with Bruce Pascal. Who is Bruce Pascal? He's a great Hot Wheels collector and he has the pink Beach Bomb. That's the most valuable Hot Wheels of history. So please click on this card to see the full interview I did with him, and it's in English. And I will start today with a lot of news about 2023 Hot Wheels basic line. And I discovered we have a Mustang SVO in 2023 basic line. It was already a Super 200 in 2022 and it will be back in 2023. So keep your eyes open to see this one on the pegs soon. We discovered also that the first treasure hunt of 2023 is the Rising Express. You're seeing a picture of it and it will be available on Mix A, starting to appear in stores later this year, because Mix A always comes to stores on October, November, September, and it's already appeared in Malaysia. So my great friend Moazi Marzuki already gave me the pictures of all the A-Mix of 2023, and you can see the full video here on this card, and you just need to click to see the full video showing all the cars of Mix A. And one of them is that 70s van with a great decoration for the Hot Wheels art cars. And it will have also a Zamacs version for Walmart stores. We have pictures too of the 2023 Mix B Super Treasure Hunt. It's the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. And you can see in the pictures that it's already carded, so the car will be that way with red base and red wheels. Let me know if you like this configuration or not, because I think Mattel could do better than that, don't you? Another one is the Nissan Maxima drift car for 2023 that will appear in red and white. Is it better than the first one we saw in 2022? I like it better that way. But talking about 2022 collection, we saw some new Zamacs that is appearing now on Mix N on Walmart stores in the United States. There's 3 new cars on this series, Batmobile, Pontiac GTO, and El Camino. You already found it? There's also a new Hot Wheels 5-pack motor show that already appeared in Greece. And it has 5 cars, nice cars, but one of them is a fantasy car. Are you okay with that? I think it's pretty good, but a lot of people didn't like this fantasy car among 5 cars. There's a new Mopar basic car collection from Hot Wheels appearing in stores right now with 5 Dodges. Are you a Mopar fan? There's nothing new in this collection, but for Dodge lovers, maybe it makes sense. We also saw that the 2023 Hot Wheels Legends car, it's a Honda S2000. It's the same car that was a Super 200 years ago with the same configuration, but with a different color. They are doing that for legend cars, always with reissues of Super Treasure Hunt of the past. Is that okay for you? Maybe if you couldn't get this Super Treasure Hunt in the past, maybe it's okay for you to get it now. That one will be available soon on Hot Wheels Legends 2023. If you live in the United States, it will be easier to get one in those events. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, leave your comment here, of course, and share this video with your friends and with your groups, because T-Hunted is finally on YouTube and we are growing so much, and I'm very happy with that. So thank you for watching these videos. But now we have some amazing news for 2023. We just discovered that, you remember when I said that 2023 would have a new Hot Wheels Elite series? Yes, we saw the first one for the series. It will be a new Lamborghini Countach on 1/43 scale, like they did on the old Hot Wheels Elite series. By now, we only have some blueprints of the project, and we didn't saw the real car. But the first one, or one of the firsts of this series, will be that this amazing Lamborghini Countach, and it will be available on Redline Club. So if you're not a member and you want a 143 scale Hot Wheels, that one is for you, and you need to become a member for 2023. And the last news for today, we have some pictures of the Japanese classic car show that happened yesterday in Los Angeles. And Mattel showed a lot of new cars for 2023, some for basic line and some for Car Culture series. The next mix of Car Culture series will have Japanese thematic cars. And the new car for that new Car Culture mix will be that Mazda RX-7 Twin Turbo, and in white. And there's a black version of it that's the chase of the mix. So we'll have better pictures, and we'll have carded pictures of them soon, and you see all the cars of the mix. But yesterday they showed all the cars. And there's some premium cars coming to basic line too, like this Mazda 787, but with no opening hood this time, and the Mazda Cosmo. And you have to watch for this Mazda Cosmo because it will be a super treasure hunt in 2023. Nobody said anything about that, but I know, and I'm talking for the first time for you, and you're new about that here on T-Hunted's YouTube channel. So stay tuned for more videos soon. And if you like this video, I can do more English videos for you more often. So thank you for watching this review, and I hope you like it. Thank you again, and I see you soon.